Hey guys, today I'm back with an unboxing of the Soundlink 2. In 1 or 2 weeks I will make a full review of them, talking about the sound quality and the user experience, but today just a quick review, so let's jump right in. So first we will have a look around the box. On the top there is a big picture of the Soundlink 2 and just some basic text like the name of it and the Bose logo. Then on this side we have again a Bose logo. Then here you can see some details about the most important features of these headphones, and on the bottom you can see included accessories. Then here same thing as on the other side. On the bottom there is a sticker with the barcode and designed by Bose, nothing special. And on the top again, nothing special. Now let's have a look inside. Nicely presented with this cardboard, black cardboard with the logo again. Let's open this up. Okay, here we have some instructions on how to connect, and it shows here that it has an app for these headphones. It's the Bose Connect, but I think we will go deeper into that in the full review. So let's pull out this. It's a nice carrying case with some leather finish here. Let's put that aside, and here underneath this foam we have some other instructions, but who uses instructions, so we will leave that aside. Let's go to the interesting thing. Open this up. First we will have a look at this little bag at the top here. There are the accessories. It's the charging cable. For me it's a little bit short, I think, but I have to check that out. And what's next? Next we have the audio cable. If you don't want to use the wireless thing, or if your battery dies. I feel a little bit sad about that this is not a 3.5mm jack, so that's a little bit sad, because on my old Beats I could just use any auxiliary cable I want. So if this breaks you have to buy the Bose original one again, or buy some fake stuff, I'm not sure. We will see. That aside. Then here are the headphones itself. Let's have a quick look at those. Here you can adjust the length of the band. I think in here that's a metal part, but otherwise it's all plastic. But it doesn't feel cheap at all, so it wasn't cheap. But here is the power switch, and also I think if you pull this to the top, it's to connect the Bluetooth. And then here we have the controls. Go deeper into that in the full review. Here's the charging port, just some micro USB, and here's this not 3.5mm jack which I was talking about. But overall look and feel is pretty nice. Here under this grid I guess is the mic. We have to check that out in the full review. So just a basic unboxing, and we will see us next time. Bye.